This is the HP Pavilion Gaming Keyboard 800. We're going to unbox and set it up and show you how to use this keyboard. So once you unbox, here are the key items. You have got the Pavilion keyboard itself, and this is made of metal with red mechanical keys. It's got the wrist rest, which you can simply attach it over here. Just simply click it in, slot it in, and you have the wrist rest. The connectivity is via a USB cable direct to your computer itself, and this is an adapter here where you can connect it, and this 3.5mm jacks goes to the audio as well as the microphone. You can connect this to your computer as well together with the USB. And what that means is that over here, right over here, you can plug in your 3.5mm headphones for use with this gaming keyboard itself. So as mentioned earlier, it has got the red switch mechanical keyboard, and this is certainly optimized for gaming. Later on, we will show you the colorful LED backlighting for this keyboard. Once we get it connected, you can customize the colorful 4-zone LED backlighting by altering the light, speeds, the direction, and more. And it's all without software. So as you can see over here, the keyboard has got the audio control where you can mute the audio, volume up, volume down, or even mute the microphone itself. So let's connect this keyboard to our computer and do the light show. So let's connect the keyboard to our computer. Do note that we have connected the microphone as well as a headphone jack to the keyboard itself because we want to use the audio out. So let's plug the USB cable into the USB port over here, and the red is actually the microphone, which goes into this 3.5mm jack over here, whereas the green is the headphone itself. So now that we have plugged in the keyboard into our computer, let's take a look at the keyboard itself. So this is how the keyboard looks like once you have plugged it into your computer. So let's plug our headphones into the keyboard itself. So over here you can see the headphones icon, and we'll plug our headphones into the jack over there. And you can actually have more tilt on the keyboard itself, and that is by lifting up the latch, which is over here, one on each side. So the keyboard will be more tilted. Next, we will show you all the lightings on this keyboard itself. If you press on the function key and M1, you get this lighting. M2, M3, all the alphabets are lit up, and you can light up all the entire key by pressing function and CM1. Actually CM2 does the same thing, so not quite sure what that does, but function CM1 will light up all the keys itself. And if you want to lower the brightness of the key, simply press function and the down arrow all the way until it being switched off. Press up arrow key together with the function key, and it increase the brightness. So that's the max. And let's do some light show by pressing the function and this key right beside it. You'll get different LED display. That's one of those. Next, the keys will blink. Let's try again, and you have this pattern. Okay, let's try the next one. Let's try again. So you light up row by row. And then it repeats itself. So the next pattern goes back to all being lit up. And if you do that again, and this is the one that's pretty cool. You light up whatever keys that you tap on. Let's see what's next. And this is also pretty cool. Every key that you tap on, it will just have a flashing show. Let's see what's next. Okay, this one will light up the entire row. Okay, and this one will just light up the area where you tap. Pretty cool, huh? And let's see what else we have. So it's all like a matrix type of lighting. And the whole cycle repeats. So when you press a function and the lock icon over here, F12, it will lock the keyboard. Okay, press it once again, function and the lock to unlock it. So this is the HP Pavilion Gaming Keyboard 800. We have just shown you the unboxing, connection, and some of the functions on the cool LED lighting.